Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add multiple owners to your Behance project. This is super useful when you're collaborating with other designers or creators and want to give them full control over editing and managing the project alongside you. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, you'll want to locate your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen and click on it. This will open up your account menu where you can access various settings and options related to your Behance profile. Once you've clicked on your profile icon, make sure you're viewing the Work section at the top of the page. This is where all your published projects are displayed, and it's essential to be in this section to access the editing options for your projects. Now find the project you want to add co-owners to and look for the arrow down button next to it. Click on this arrow to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Edit to open up the project editing interface. This is where you'll be able to modify all aspects of your project, including team settings. After the editing page loads, direct your attention to the right side of the screen where you'll see various tabs and options. Click on Settings to access the project's configuration panel. This section contains important controls for managing who can access and modify your project. Next, scroll down through the settings page until you find the Team section. This is where Behance allows you to manage collaborators and assign different roles to other users. It's an important feature for ensuring everyone involved in the project gets proper credit and access. Within the Team section, you'll see a field labeled Co-Owners. Click on this field and start typing the username or name of the person you want to add as a co-owner. Behance will show you matching results as you type, making it easy to find the right person. The great thing about this feature is that you can add as many co-owners as you need. Each co-owner will have the same level of control over the project as you do, meaning they can edit, update, or even delete the project if necessary. Once you've finished adding all your co-owners, click the Update Project button to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully added multiple owners to your Behance project, giving your collaborators full access to manage the work alongside you. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.